Hello everyone, I'm Marco from Axel Tech. Today I'd like to talk to you about our advertisement management software. It's called RamComm. RamComm will allow you to manage all your customers. So the database will reside on a shared server, so multiple PCs, multiple users can log in and simultaneously work on the software. As I was telling you, your customers are here, metadata regarding the customer, the address, zip code, also banking information, VAT, contact information, in order to provide all the data which is necessary to manage your customers. Once a new contract comes in, we create the new contract, let's say Mercedes, and what you can tell the system is also the category, so it will be cars or car accessories. You can insert some statistical information which will then help you make some cool commercial or financing statistics, like how much money came in for cars, for mobile advertisement, etc. It also manages your agents, so you can define the list of your agents and define how much percentage on the contract. You can say to the system if he will receive his commission directly when he brings in the contract or only when the customer pays. And then it's multi-currency, of course. So you can have euros, dollars, nairas, whatever, with its own currency rate built inside. And you define exactly how many spots or advertisement the customer has purchased. You can give some for free. You can define a single spot price and a final discount, for example. So this would be the amount. Then you can define how the customer is going to pay. So it can be monthly, maybe with 3 installments. You can define for each installment when it is settled, and eventually when it is invoiced. So you keep track of all the customer payments. Among the payment types, there's one which is very nice. It's called unconsumption certified, which means that the programming for the advertisement schedule will be passed to the playout. After the playout has gone on air, as run logs will come back to the system, and RamComm will count the number of spots which have gone on air fully and invoice only what actually went on air. Summaries, which tells how many spots has purchased, consumed, remaining, and scheduled. So we need to schedule these. I'm going to the scheduling part, insert a new programming, and you can select your media, which is your media file. You can select your spot type, tell the system how many per day will go on air, choose a start and an end date, eventually exclude some dates from the programming, and then we go on hour points. Here you may have a list of all your radios or TV stations, since the software works both for radio and for TV. So you can manage your different channels on air, but also works in split mode. So for example, you can have a main signal which has its own commercial, and maybe you have different transmitters on your areas on which you want to put different advertisement. The RamComm will manage it for you, managing the duration of the breaks and filling up the breaks, so all the breaks which air actually have the same duration. From here, you can choose the hour point of the breaks in which the advertisement will go on air. So you can choose several types of algorithm, which can be with rotations or not. There's many of that. One important and nice feature is, which I want to talk to you about, is media rotation. If your customer has different media to put on air, you just define how often you want to put it on air, and just list the different media, assign a rotation to the media, and the media will be rotated automatically. That's really, really cool. Once you've done this, all the hour points for the advertisement will be calculated for the entire period, and you are able to actually see it and actually modify it if you want, or print a nice letter for your customer in which you can send it by email, by fax, with PDF, several type of exports there in order to send it to the customer, in which you inform him of the exact hours that you will actually air it. After the system has passed the playlist to the playout, it receives the AS1 logs, and if you want, of course, you can print afterwards a letter to the customer specifying that you will actually print out the certification. So in this case, the contract has yet to go on air, so of course I don't have any hours. RamComm is a very complete software, has a lot of features built in. Average training takes from 3 to 5 days. It gives you an idea of how complex and complete it can be. It will take care up to invoicing, so you can invoice directly from RamComm. It's not an accounting software, so this would RamComm can actually export the invoices to your accounting software eventually. If you need any more information, please write to us at info@axeltechnology.com. I'm Marco from AxelTech. Thank you very much.